In this video, guys, I'm actually pulled apart a 2-barrel Holley. It was actually quite dirty inside. This came off the Ute that I just got, and I thought I'd give it a clean up and put a small kit into it. Kit came in this, and basically it comes with instructions and so forth. It fits multiple Holleys. So all the parts in there I actually don't need all of them, but when I tried to start the Ute, it's got a 253 in it, carby started to leak, and that was the diaphragm that was in it. So I don't know if you can see that. This one's like fully exploded, and that's the new one there. So that was the main reason, and then I thought I might as well just do the whole gasket stuff and so forth. So let's get started and putting it back together again. That yet. So like I said, it's got multiple gaskets in it. I actually don't need all of them. I think there's 1 or 2 in here, like that one doesn't belong to this. So just got the power valve in, like that. Put the jets in next. Just put a touch of grease on these. Just like that. I like to do everything up hand tight first, so you don't cross thread anything, all that, because the last thing you want to do is cross thread these. You're in a world of trouble. Nip those up. Okay. Get the gasket on next. On there. Get it to hold. Other gasket. Makes life easy with these little pins that stick out. You know, trying to hold the gasket and trying to do screws up at the same time, and got that there. Get that to stay. Just grease these up. Also makes it easier if you've got to pull it apart again, just to have a touch of grease in there. Get that line back up. go. Starting to come back together. Okay, put the diaphragm in next. The thing that made me pull all this apart. So that's the old one that came out of it. As you can see, it's all gone, and that's the new one. Big difference. So get the spring in, get the diaphragm on there. Great, get that to hold. I don't know if you can hear that suction now. So it's working perfectly. Okay. So we'll get the bottom on. Get the gasket on. Screw in there to hold this in. Slowly coming back together again. So there we go. It's all back together again. All seems to be working fine. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Keep an eye out for the next one.